Is your electric range burner not heating properly, stuck on one level, or not turning on at all? A faulty rotary switch could be the problem. Over time, these switches wear out from heat and daily use, affecting temperature control and cooking performance. Welcome back to HnKParts. In this video, you will learn how to safely and effectively replace a rotary switch in your electric range, so you can get your appliance working smoothly again. Before beginning any work on a major appliance, safety is the absolute priority. Always disconnect the power before starting the replacement. Unplug the appliance or switch off the circuit breaker to avoid electrical shock. Next, access the control panel. Begin the disassembly at the front of the appliance. Grasp the control knob associated with the faulty switch and pull it straight toward you to remove it from the metal shaft. To access the internal components, you must open the control console assembly. Before removing anything, take a clear photo of the wiring connections. This helps ensure you reconnect everything correctly during installation. Now, disconnect the wires one at a time from the old rotary switch. Gently remove the mounting screws and take out the faulty switch. Install the new rotary switch by securing it in place and reconnecting the wires exactly as they were before. Make sure all connections are tight and properly seated. Reassemble the control panel, restore power, and test the burner at different heat settings. Check for smooth operation and consistent heating. Replacing a worn rotary switch is a simple repair that can restore full control to your electric range and improve cooking performance. Shop for a high-quality range rotary switch replacement at HnKParts, link in the description. Visit HnKParts.com for top-quality home and kitchen appliance parts at great prices. Follow us on social media for more repair tips, like this video, and subscribe for more easy appliance fixes. Thanks for watching.